I want to talk about scaling your design. Now, your design is to scale, and if you will remember, the default canvas in Dream Draper will accommodate a room or a space that is 333 inches wide, or a little over 27 feet, by 250 inches, or a little over 20 feet. Now, our room that we have here fits nicely on the canvas. That room is 192 inches wide by 144 inches. Now, if you have to change to a 1/4 inch scale, the canvas will accommodate a room or a space that is 480 inches wide by 360 inches, or 40 feet by 30 feet. If you do have to change scale, you can do that before you start designing or during the design process. To change scale, click on Edit, Canvas, Resize, and a little window will open up. And to change to a 1/4 inch scale, just type in 480 by 360 and watch the canvas change size. I'm going to zoom out so you can see more of the canvas. There. Now, my room is still 192 inches wide. To prove that, I'm going to click on my dimension tool again. Click on the canvas, and I'll type in 192. And I'll draw. There you go. You see, it's still 192 inches wide. But because we are now in 1/4 inch scale, the room appears much smaller on the printed page. So if you have to print out in a 1/4 inch scale, you certainly can do so. Your room may appear small on the printed page. But if your room will fit on the default canvas size, you may be more happy with the end result, because your design will be larger and easier for your client to see.